Good morning, students. Today we just revising second lesson of EVS 1. As I know, you got the timetable of PT2. Okay. So the syllabus is for EVS 1 two lessons. That is the digestive system and excretory system. Okay. And second lesson of EVS 2. Okay. So today we revising only lesson 2, that is digestive system. Whatever points we have studied already, we just revising. I am not dictating you descriptive in that digestive system. We just recall all the definitions of system, all the process. Okay. So in digestive system, first we have studied if we want to do some work. So what we need? We need some energy. That time only we can do work. Okay. So for that, what is necessary? We have to eat food, healthy food. Okay. So when we eat food, how it goes through from mouth in the stomach, then what will be happen? What is meant by digestion? That all the points we have studied in digestive system. So we need energy for do work. Okay. So in that, first we have to study what is meant by digestion. Digestion, it is the process. In that process, what will be happen? In that process is happening breaking down food into smaller pieces. Okay. And after that, whatever part is digested, it will be absorbed. And where it will be absorbed? Into bloodstream. Okay. Now that digestion process, some body parts taking part in that process. So which part is taking participation in digestion? Whatever parts they are doing this process, we called together it is digestive system. So in digestive system, the organs are participation in first mouth, then food pipe, then stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. It is the last organ of digestive system. So each part doing specific function. Then first take mouth. What is doing the mouth? It is taking the food, and after that it bites with the help of teeth and pushes from in the food pipe with the help of tongue. Okay, some juices are mixing in that, but it will be studied in the process. Okay, we just revising the organs. Then food pipe. Pipe means it is the how it is its structure. It is cylindrical. Okay, pipe like structure. So when mouth bites the food, it pushes through the food pipe. Okay, then it goes to the stomach. After that, some juices mixes in that, and that digested part it will be absorbed. So the next part is liver. It is the largest and heaviest organ of the digestive system. And how can we identify stomach? One activity, one project I have given you, that is the what you have to do with the help of pulses. You have to indicate the part of digestive system. So you can use red color pulses for stomach, because stomach is in red color. Okay, reddish brown. Then small intestine. So for that you have to remember how it's long. It's long and narrow tube. And what is the length of that? 22 feet. Okay. Then small intestine, large intestine. So large intestine, it is also tube-like structure, but it will be folded. Okay. The next part is anus. Anus, it is the opening of digestive system. I have already told that it is the last part of digestive system. Then next is the process of digestion. Okay. So process of digestion. Where it starts? Can you tell me? Yes, it's correct. Digestion it starts from mouth. Some parts in the mouth, that is teeth and tongue. It helps to push the food into food pipe. So first teeth, what is doing teeth? Teeth is biting that food, and then saliva is mixes that food in that food. Okay. Then after that it pushes the food into food pipe. Okay. So you have to remember, in that process saliva is mixing, and that time only food can push through the food pipe. Okay. Then in the stomach, in the stomach what is happening? There is one juice is mixing, that is the stomach juice. Okay. Then that stomach juice helps to break down the food. Whatever food is coming from food pipe, the stomach juice is helping into the breaking down of food. Then after that, which part is there? That is the liver. Okay, not small intestine. Then food goes to the small intestine. Okay. That time liver produces bile juice, and it helps to digestion of food. When digestion is completed, bile juice is mixes in that food, then it breaks down further, okay, into smaller pieces. Then walls of small intestine, what they are doing? It absorbs all the useful parts of that breakdown of food. Okay. Then after that, whatever part is remaining, then digested part is absorbed, and then what is the remaining? Undigested part. Okay. Undigested part pushed into the large intestine, and after that some water, minerals is mixing in that undigested food. And after that last part, that is the anus, it is the opening of digestive system. In that undigested food waste out of the body, it goes through the anus. Okay. It's all about the process of digestion. So we have studied what is meant by digestion, which body part or which organ taking part in digestion. Then next, what is the process of digestion. Now next thing is, if that food is not digest, then what we feel? What we feel? We feel unhealthy. We feel like vomiting. Okay. That process is indigestion. Okay. So in digestion, what is happening? The food is break down into smaller pieces. That is the digestion. If that food is not breaking down into smaller pieces, then what is happening? That is only the indigestion. Okay. So in that chapter, two things we have studied, that is the famine and the hunger. Hunger, it is when we feel hungry. Okay. When we feel hungry, then that time we feel weak. Okay. So that time we feeling to eat something. Okay, that is the hunger. Then next part is famine. What is meant by famine? When we feel hungry and that time enough food is not available, that is only the famine. Okay, so in whole lesson we have studied first thing, that is we need energy for doing some work. Okay, so for that we have to eat healthy food. So how we can eat that? So we eat healthy food, then how it goes to the parts of the digestive system. What is meant by digestion? We have studied. Then digestive system means how many parts or whatever parts that taking part in the process of digestion, and what is the role of each organ. What is the role of mouth, liver, then food pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, after that we have studied what is the process of digestion. Okay, then after that we have studied if the food is not breaking down into smaller pieces, then what is happening? It is the indigestion. And two things we have studied, that is famine and hunger. So today what you have to do? You have to read whole lesson. After that you have to study whole notes whatever I have given you. Okay, so best of luck for your study. Okay, thank you.